Hey everybody, just be here. Trying to do a little yard cleanup today. I thought I'd do a quick little review on my wood chipper shredder. If you've watched my videos, you've seen it before, but I was using it to grind pig feed. Now that I have an actual feed grinder mixer for the tractor, we're gonna use this thing for what it's meant for. I don't remember what brand it is. Sticker's peeled off. It's 212 cc's. Here's the chipper part. I recommend taking this off. I haven't yet because I haven't had much of a need for it. Till I'm ready to do some bigger branches, it's gonna stay there, but it's such a pain in the butt if you don't have straight branches. Gets caught up, doesn't like to go through. So I'm gonna try taking that off at some point and see how it goes. The shredder piece, I've got a decent little pile here that we're gonna try to shred through. Just showing you, like, you got to do some prep work for your branches. Something like this is not going in there. Not happening. Oh, I think we're back. I hit some kind of button. Trying to get you on my jacket here. Alright. Like a branch like this, you're going to have to go through, tear it apart or break it up, do something, because it's not going to go through. You got to get it, try to get them pretty straight. But anyways, I'm going to start ripping here and see what we can, how long this takes. I won't make you watch the whole time because it takes a while. But I'll let you know how long it takes. Well, I can tell you, if you're doing it for the wood chips, you're not getting a whole lot. It's hard to tell here, but I don't know, good wheelbarrow full. Well guys, you know, after about a half hour shredding branches and limbs up or whatever, got a heaping wheelbarrow full. So not too bad. I mean, for small little projects around the house, you know, or the acreage, it's not too bad if you got a little bit to do here and there. I wouldn't recommend it if you got a lot to do. You got to prep them branches, make sure there's no big Y's in there and stuff, and you got to make sure it's fairly straight when you're pushing it through. Otherwise, it does the job. I mean, I picked this up off of Marketplace, I don't know, a few years ago for maybe $100. Like I said, I used it initially for grinding pig feed, but this is one of the few times I've actually used it for branches. But I cut down a couple trees and had had quite a bit to do, and I figured I'd do a little review. So, yeah, not too bad. If you got big projects, a ton to do, you might be better off going find a place that'll rent you a bigger wood chipper. You can do bigger branches, but for small little stuff, yard waste, it'll do the job. Anyways, guys, just be living. I'm out.